What other information does Control Tower provide? Let's find out in this video. Control Tower provides additional information, including displaying manual tasks that are to be completed by workers in the WorkFusion workspace rather than as automated bot tasks. Schedules that define conditions and requirements to run a business process definition. Examples include input data sources and date and time settings. Bot configuration that contains a complete library of automated steps for business processes. A data store that retains data resulting from the execution of a business process instance. Configuration that contains administrative functions and settings to enable Control Tower and WorkFusion applications to run correctly. These include A. Role management to define user roles and access to various Control Tower functions. B. Activity log containing audit functionality. This tracks system and user actions, such as login, session activity, task creation, and similar actions.